In this lesson, we're going to learn some Māori words related to doing the washing. So let's go to the horoimanga, or washroom. The first word is horoi, which means clean. Let's horoi my clothes. You start off by placing the clothes into the washing machine, the mihini horoi kākahu. Once the washing has completed, when the sun is out, you put your clothes out to dry, whakamaroke. You hang washing up on the clothesline, or whakairinga kākahu. If it's too wet outside, then you want to use this, the mihini whakamaroke, the dryer. After the clothes are dry, I'll get out the papa aiana, or ironing board, to iron all of my clean washing. Once that's done, I pokai or fold my clothes. And that's it. Those are a few kupu you can use in the horoimanga. That's it for today's lesson. Now you know some Māori words related to doing the washing.